I'm so happy to be here to share, how I cook dumpling. First of all, I will start with meat. So ground pork, really fresh. See, 1 tablespoon soy sauce in. Slice, you chop to little piece. Then we cut green onion. I will do the dough. See, 4 cups. Basically, 4 cups of flour. This is my first time to on the video to show my cooking. Here, push here. You hold the skin, so fold it. Then you see you pinch here too. Oh, it's so good. And the homemade dumplings are always best. Try. Thank you, guys.